So basically, your lot is a certain size and your existing house has a certain square footage. So that square footage of your house is impervious, where when the rain hits the roof, it leaks onto the ground, hits your roof, goes in the gutter, and flows into a creek, into the storm sewer. Now today, there's regulations that says when you add an addition to your house, there's all these calculations that you might have to put water quality. What that means is take all the rain that hits your roof and hits your addition, put it underground into a holding tank, and eventually it seeps out. So it's called water quality. So not to get too long-winded, but in today, just be prepared when you're doing a addition, anything that where you're pouring concrete, a pool, it's going to take you longer to get a building permit. And if you live Chattahoochee, very difficult on the Chattahoochee corridor, and then the Nancy Creek corridor in Sandy Springs, very, very regulated, and also if you live on a creek or a stream. So please call in with questions, email me. A lot of challenges in municipalities today. There is regulations on how tall the roof can be on an addition. There is regulations if the addition goes too close to the rear setback. Some of the governing municipalities will not let you build an addition that is deeper than your neighbor's house.
Yeah.
So each municipality has their own rules and regulations. So very challenging and adding on to a home today in the greater Atlanta area.
So
Yes.
you'd much rather, if you can, see if you can take that space from another part of your house.
Yes, you can. It's better.